So how do you make fruit salad? MegaFruit Salad by Walford, Dr. Walford. Usually use apples, or preferred is a cantaloupe. Has better nutrition, lower calories. But this is off season, so I use an apple for one of my fruits. And just pare it down, pull the core of the seeds out. Usually it only takes about 5 minutes to do this. Since I'm currently fixing it for 2 servings, 2 people, so I will use 2 apples. Taste along the way, that's important. I have frozen strawberries that I have thawed. It's early this morning. Since it's not really strawberry season, and I can control the quantity of strawberries and not have to worry about molding strawberries. But I split them in half just to make it a little more smaller bits, so that I can blend it up a little bit here with just with a spoon. And that's pretty much it. All right. Now I'm going to do one more apple for myself. This is just a technique I use just to make a double batch. Normally I would just do all of this at one time, but this works out pretty well because I need to be able to blend up some of the strawberries and the yogurt, soy yogurt. These are all vegan. So the highest nutrition fruit salad I have found started with Dr. Roy Walford's MegaFruit Salad and enhanced it from there. Just cut these up just so that I can get prepared for the next phase of this fruit salad build, because I'm going to mix in the yogurt, soy yogurt, into these strawberries. I usually use 1/4 cup for a single serving. Since I'm making 2 servings, I will use 2/4 cups of this soy yogurt. And then I have a blend of, recommended by Dr. Walford, of flaxseed meal, wheat germ, cinnamon, a little tiny bit of stevia, just for a little added sweetness, and one more thing in there. I have to take a look. You'll see the recipe below. I'll include the recipe in the comments below. And there you have the binder, if you will, for the fruit salad. And then the other one, I've put in the other apple. Now I have some bold tropical fruit salad that I just scoop out 1 scoop. This makes a really nice sweetener additional of 2 or 3 other fruits. It's pears, pineapple, papaya in there. It's canned, so it makes it a little easier to manage than to have it with from fresh fruit. I keep all my equipment clean. Then add some roasted slivered almonds to the top of that. And there you have a couple of fruit salads. Yummy.